tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today the Teletubbies are sitting on the pink couch and we're going to read a story about colors. They have their little stuffed dinosaur. He's green and he has red spikes on his back. He's going to cuddle with Poe. And Lala gets the red heart pillow. It has hands to hug. And speaking of colors, the rug is beautiful rainbow colors. I can see pinks and blues and greens. And so we're going to read Disney Baby Einstein, I See Colors. There's a picture of a little lion. And there's a picture of a little striped kitten. There's also a picture of a flower. This is called a sunflower, and it's yellow. Yellow as the sweetest rose. And there is a beautiful yellow rose. Roses can be many colors, and Tinky Winky saw a beautiful rose at a restaurant we were just at. It was floating in a vase of water. Remember Tinky Winky? It was white with rosy pink tips. It was so unique, we took a photo of it. The photo turned out wonderful. Now let's get back to our story. Pink as the cutest nose. And there's the picture of the kitten that was on the cover of the story. Is our kitty's nose pink? Yes, hers is very light pink. Red as a cherry pie. Yummy. Blue as the summer sky. Purple as a peaceful night. Orange as a fire burning bright. And remember, fire is very hot, and you don't want to touch it or get too close. Green as the tallest tree. And look at the mountains. There's a rainbow over them. And there's the rainbow on the next page. What other colors do you see? We see purples and yellows and oranges, blue, green. And I see all of the colors in the Teletubbies room too. The rug has all of the rainbow colors. And the Teletubbies are colorful too. Kitty wanted to join us for story time. Sorry, Kitty, the story's over, and I don't think there's room on the couch for you anyways. Well, thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.